Mhla zi-3 kuMbasa ka-2019 kwakugcwele intuthu Ilokishi lonke lase-eAlex. Kwaba nesiphithiphithi esikhulu cishe inyanga yonke kutholana phezulu amaphoyisa kanye nezakhamuzi. Akekho owayefuna ukugoba uphondolo.
We're fighting the people who are leading us because their interests are all over the place. They are not about restoring the dignity of a black person.
Sekucela iminyakeni emine manje ingxenye Ilokishi yaqhubeka nokucwila ekuphelelweni yithemba nasezinhlungwini. Abagqugquzeli banomuzwa wokwehluleka.
I mean, if you look at the area just on the other side of the Yokuske, that is land that is invaded. I mean, that is a 50-year flood line where no structures are supposed to be. And it has gone unabated. I mean, nothing has changed. This whole area is full. Illegal dumping happens every day.
I think more still need to be done because of we try to address that through the protest to make sure that we emphasize on the bylaws. It's even difficult for firefighters to even come and assist in time because there's no roads where the shacks have been mushroomed. Even if not shacks, people have built the brick and mortar in a position where they must not build.
Ihhovisi lomvikelo womphakathi alizange lichithe isikhathi laphenya ngezinsolo zokungaphathi ngendlela ohlelweni lwethenda lezigidigidi zamarandi. Kube nesiphakamiso sokuthi uhulumeni athathe izinyathelo.
The investigations around the Alexander Renewal Project are almost complete. The report is being drafted currently, which we are hoping to receive by the end of February.
If people need to be prosecuted for mismanagement of funds that was meant for community, community have a right to know that, and people must be prosecuted for that.
Udaba olungeluhle elokishini elifuna ukubona ithemba.